Hey everybody, Caleb here with Steve Meyer's Service today to go over the Stihl FS50CE. Now, much like the 40, the 50 is going to offer quite a few comfort features similar to the 40. However, we're going to increase power. We're also going to increase the length of the shaft. So this is going to be a little more friendly for some of our taller people, our taller users. So let's go to the power head. Back here we have the automatic choke, which means that when you set that choke and after the unit starts, when you hit the trigger, automatically takes the choke off. Then as we come to the back, we have your easy recoil here. That means just give it a nice smooth pull and that'll pull that engine right over and fire up real nice and easy. Then as we head to the front, we have the kill switch. Does not have an on or off position. It's always in the on for you, which is very nice. Then when you're done, just go ahead and hit the O for off, and that's going to shut the unit down. Then as we go down to the string head, this is going to have Stihl's AutoCut C6-2 string head, which makes for a very easy user experience when it comes to restringing the head. If you have any questions on how to restring the head, you can always check out our video that we have on the AutoCut C6-2. For the starting procedure on the FS50, you're going to come back here to the primer. You're going to prime that 3 to 5 times. Go ahead and put your choke on. In order to do so, you're going to push in all the way up to the full choke position. Go back to your rope here. Go ahead and give it a few pulls, and when it fires, you're going to hit your trigger. That's going to turn your choke off automatically. Go ahead and use it like normal. When you're ready to advance more string out at the head, at full throttle, tap the head on the ground. That will advance more string, and then when you're done, just hit the O for off. Alright guys, that's the Stihl FS50CE. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, and thanks for watching.